Hey everyone, I'm Ahmed Turki here with you. I'm your lecturer in the module Introduction to Computer and Programming. In this video, I'll show you how to install Anaconda, which you can later on use for Jupyter and Spider IDEs. So I just want to say first, I hope you're enjoying your first semester at the BUE. Things can get challenging, they can get confusing, that's normal. When things get tough for you, make sure you come visit me or the TAs as soon as possible. هقول تاني بالعربي. الفترة الجاية دي ممكن تبقى يعني بداية الجامعة دي تبقى صعبة علينا شوية. ممكن في شوية معلومات واقعة مننا، مش عارفين نتصرف ازاي، مش عارفين نفتح الاي-ليرنينج، مش عارفين نشتغل. يا ريت أنا والبشمهندسين نروح نزورهم في أقرب وقت ونسأل. أوكي، إحنا نفسنا نساعدكم. Anyways, on the side here, we're gonna just show the installation for Anaconda. أول حاجة تأكدوا, please make sure you have this URL, www.anaconda.com/download. Immediately go to script registration over here. Then, according to your operating system, please choose. I'll start off with Windows for me. As you can see here, it's around 912 megabytes. So it depends on your internet. يعني بالنسبة لي ممكن ما بين 5 و10 دقايق. هبوز الجزئية دي بس لغاية ما يخلص. Okay, it's downloaded now. Just go ahead and click it. معلش, wait a moment for it to open. This will appear for you. Keep pressing next and agree, and make sure you click here, all users. You'll get a warning. Click yes on it. Right, this appears next. Make sure you install it in program data, whatever is on Microsoft Windows. And then next. طبعا I already have mine installed, but from this moment onward, just keep going straight forward, keep clicking next. That's it. But yes. So for anyone who has problems installing after this, please come ask me or the TAs. How are we sure that we're ready to code right now? First off, you might not see this, but I'm clicking start first and then press Jupyter. And then choose any Jupyter notebook that appears. هيظهر الشاشة السوداء دي الأول. لازم نسيب الكونسول ده شغال. اوكي, أول الشاشة السوداء دي يعني معنى صح شغال. وبعدين هيتفتح معايا كده هو زي ويندو لجوبيتر. هدخل بعد كده هو step by step. أنا عندي هنا اسمها OneDrive. For you it might be called desktop. Press it. Then go to desktop over here. Okay, so for me, for example, my files are in this directory. After finding your files, click the latest notebook or any notebook you'd like to study or revise. It should open this way. Just scroll in and scroll out by while clicking control عشان نظبط بس الزوم بتاعنا. If you want to work like this or closer, it's up to you. Then make sure that your cell runs by pressing control enter. Okay, and then you can go on to doing your exercise. هنحل الexercise ده مع بعض. Compute with functions. I need to compute using length, width, height for a rectangular prism. يعني cuboid يعني. I need to get its volume. First of all here, get volume of cuboid. لازم أكتب description لنفسي الأول بالتكست بالطريقة دي. So I need to comment first on what I'll be computing next. Let's start a function and let's call it volume, or let's say volume cuboid. And then this should take length, width, height. These are the input parameters. It should make use of all three to compute the volume. So let's say over here volume equals these three together, right? You can simply double click this and then Control C, Control V it over here. Then asterisk, and then keep continuing. Asterisk, which is multiplication, and that's it. Then return the value of volume. Now let's then use the function. So over here I'll say compute the volume of any cuboid using the user-defined function above. Okay, so how do we use it? We need to use this. So let's say for starters, let's define what length is. You don't have to write the full name because the variable here is different from the variable here. So I'll just say it's L. L equals, let's say, 30 centimeters. Let's actually go for 15, which is the size of a concrete cube while we're testing it. 15 centimeters for the W. And for the height, also 15 centimeters. And to compute the volume, let's say concrete volume equals, now immediately use the function. I had it copied. And then inside of this input parameter, place these L, W, H. Of course, these are defined here as LWH variables. When you pass them to here, this immediately goes to the function and it converts L to length, W to width, H to height. Computes over here and then returns volume. Volume will be substituted inside of concrete volume. All that remains is that we need to print it. And let's say it's in centimeter. This needs to be a string, centimeter cubed. Let's try this. It works. All right, you can also double check after me if this is the correct value. That's it for now. Hope you're studying well. Remember, for this year, 2024, 2025, semester 1, the in-class assessment is week 7. All right, if you enjoyed this video, let me know. Bye-bye.